All right. Just woke up at 6 and slept at 1 or something, 2 probably. Well rested. And yeah, it's been a wild ride. Like, when I woke up and I'm like, okay, how the hell do I make my goals work? I'm like, okay, how do I now make it work? That was the first thing that I thought of. And yeah, it's like I have new plans now. Like, my plans have changed. And because of that, like what I need to do and everything, it's just very interesting to me. Like, I need to develop a lot of skills, but I have really, really less time. Like, yeah, that's what's keeping me stuck. Like, I'm thinking way, 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 way short term. So I just need to first, but I need to first make like a couple of thousand so I can just live, right? But I just don't want to take it step by step. I want to take over the world for some reason. And yeah, good things take time, and it's just how it is. But of course, that doesn't mean that you can afford to waste time. So yeah, it's a interesting position to be in. What am I working on? I am working on building out my YouTube content engine, which is what you're seeing right now. Yes, it is. It will be slowly made to sell. So yeah, it's interesting position to be in. To be if you just wake up, you feel, very crippling amounts of shame, and there's still more to life.